If you're new to making money online, you've probably heard of either the One Funnel Away Challenge from ClickFunnels or the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge from Legendary Marketer. I've personally taken both of them, and there are some key differences between the two. I'm going to talk about what they cover, what you'll learn, and who's the ideal candidate for each course, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Don Bavaro from the Datapreneur channel, and on this channel I talk about increasing your income using the internet, specifically with affiliate marketing. If that's something that interests you, consider liking this video and then hitting the subscribe button and turning the bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. I've made a commitment to make at least one video a week for all of 2021. Alright, so let's first talk about the One Funnel Away Challenge from ClickFunnels, because this is probably the most popular course out there. The OFA is a $100 course that lasts for 30 days, and each day you actually get 3 videos and a homework assignment to complete before the next day opens up. Each video runs about an hour or less, and your homework assignment typically takes an hour, maybe 2 to complete, so you might want to block off between 3 and 4 hours a day for this. So the first video of the day is actually from Russell Brunson. He talks about the high-level strategy of what you're going to be doing that day. He explains why. And then the next 2 videos are actually done by members of his team. One of them is going to be the how, kind of the nuts and bolts, screen sharing style, how to actually implement the step that Russell talks about. And then the third video is going to be a personal accountability and personal development video. Now here's a pro tip. Do not, and I repeat, do not skip the personal growth and accountability videos. This was a big mistake I made the first time I took the One Funnel Away Challenge. You may not feel that you need the personal growth or the accountability videos. I actually watched the first couple. They were kind of uncomfortable. I didn't think I really needed them, so I stopped. I cut them out to save time. After finishing the challenge the first time, I had exactly 0 results and nothing changed in myself or in my business. The second time I took the challenge, I actually listened to those videos, and it did completely shift my mindset, and it formed a lot of new habits that I had no idea I needed to be doing. The funnel and the nuts and bolts kind of technical part is really sexy, and that's kind of something that you're going to want to do. But the thing that you need to do is the personal development growth. I can't stress this enough. That is the thing that really started to move the needle for me after taking the One Funnel Away Challenge. It's uncomfortable, but it has to be done. Now, even though I started to move the needle, form the right habits, and kind of start to get my business in gear, I wasn't seeing the explosive growth that I saw so many people have in the One Funnel Away. And that's for one reason. One Funnel Away isn't really designed for affiliate sales. One Funnel Away is really geared toward people who have their own product to sell, or they're planning to launch a product of their own. Now, you can become an affiliate for the One Funnel Away Challenge after taking it, but it becomes very, very hard to sell if that's the only product that you're trying to sell. Trust me, I've tried. One Funnel Away was one of the first affiliate products I tried to sell, and I failed miserably with it. Now, having said that, if you're looking to learn sales messaging, offer creation, offer sequences, customer psychology, and funnel mechanics, the One Funnel Away Challenge is the best course to take for that. My biggest takeaway from One Funnel Away was that it's more of a step 2 course and not a true step 1. So if you're totally green to making money online and you really want to make money as an affiliate, One Funnel Away might not be the course for you. But if you are a little bit more advanced and you want that little bit of extra to take you to the next level, this is a perfect course for that. I actually put a link down in the description where you can register. Now keep in mind, One Funnel Away isn't always open. So if you follow that link, you may actually have to jump on a waiting list until the next challenge starts. Okay, so moving on to the 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge. Now, if you're a total beginner and you have absolutely no idea what you're doing, the Online Business Builder Challenge is a little bit more your speed. It's at a much lower price point. This challenge is only $7, and it focuses and is geared for the complete noob. In this challenge, you'll learn the basics of online business and the 4 most profitable business models. Yes, there are other ways to make money online other than affiliate marketing. Now, in this challenge, there are lessons on how funnels work, but this is actually geared more towards affiliate funnels, whereas OFA is geared towards info product and physical product funnels. On this challenge, you'll also learn how to think like a business owner. You'll learn how to view money differently than most people, and you'll actually put together a step-by-step plan to get your business launched. During this challenge, you actually get 2 calls with a business plan advisor to talk about where you are currently and where you want to go. Now, full disclosure, at this point, you'll actually be offered the chance to invest in Legendary's business blueprints. These are much higher level courses that are designed to take you much further than the 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge. These are completely optional and you're not obligated to take them. I personally took advantage of these blueprints, and I'm going to do a video going more in depth. When it goes up, I'll put a link right up here. Again, they are optional, but listen with an open mind. After you talk about the blueprints and actually put your business plan together, you're going to start learning the specific skills needed to help bring your business forward. You'll learn 4 key skills. You'll learn copywriting, lead generation, outsourcing, and sales presenting. After learning these 4 high-income skills, you're going to learn how to actually set up your business correctly from a paperwork perspective. You'll get another call with an advisor who will talk to you about forming an LLC and doing things properly. Now, personally, I think you shouldn't form the LLC until after you get some traction, you're starting to see some success, but you'll have the option to set up an LLC on the challenge itself if that's what you want to do. So at the end of the challenge, you know how the business model works, you have a plan together, you've learned the 4 skills, you have all your paperwork right. The last day of the challenge is where Dave Sharp actually sends you on your way to making your first sale. Now, I bring this up because Legendary Marketer is very good at getting people their first couple sales quickly out of the gate. I know this because it was Legendary's education that actually got me to start making money online regularly. And that's why I promote them so much. Their stuff works. Now, if the Online Business Builder Challenge seems like it's more your speed, I have a link in the description where you can sign up and take it. This challenge is actually always open, so it doesn't matter when you sign up. You'll be able to take it the next day. All right, so let's recap. So for the One Funnel Away Challenge, it costs $100, lasts 30 days, and it's more of a step 2 course than a true step 1. And it's geared more for people who are selling their own products and are more familiar with the basics. Now, the Online Business Builder Challenge is $7, lasts for 15 days, is a true step 1 course, and is geared more toward the beginner. But they also give you the opportunity to learn higher level stuff. Both of these courses offer growth and accountability lessons, although the OFA has an edge here. And both of these courses will actually teach you how to sell and do copywriting. Although One Funnel Away, again, has an edge here, which makes sense because it's a little bit more money. So there it is. You have a quick rundown on both courses, and now you can make an educated decision on which one's actually a better fit for you. Both links are down below in the description, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I try to read and respond to every single comment. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, hit the thumbs up button. That way YouTube will show you more of my videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the bell on so you'll get notified as soon as new videos get released every week. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and share this with one friend. And if you want step-by-step instruction over 15 days, check out my link in the description for the Online Business Builder Challenge.